Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sridevi's Commerce and Management Academy. Slowly and gradually you are getting well acquainted with me and I'm really excited, super excited to be with you all for now the next video. It's a continuation of accounting equation. So in the previous video you have seen how a transaction is affected and why aspect and what aspect at all we have seen. Today I have to conclude this, but before that I just thought, okay, let us also complete this aspect. Okay, it's very simple and very easy. I'm sure that today's video this you'll be able to learn faster. Coming back to the accounting equations, okay. In the year 1494, Italian mathematician, I've written here, Luca Pacioli, he actually formulated this equation. And accordingly, he said that accounting equation actually came from here, okay? And with that equation only, this left hand side is equal to right hand side actually came into. And further, when we say that accounting equations, it has double entry system. Two effects there. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. All debits will be equal to all credit. And do you remember, when we talk about accounting equations, it starts with assets is equal to equity, that is a total claim. And when we say equity, definitely we know that capital plus liabilities. Now you also know capital means what? Commence business with cash. Amit commence business with cash. So Amit का capital है उसके अंदर. Okay? और वो जो liability जो business में we also have understood by this time that कि business में there is no relationship. Business and businessman both are two separate entities. इसके लिए मालिक का पैसा है, the capital is there but capital is a liability. Okay, और किस तरह की liability है? It is an internal liability. Claim है. Okay, and when we said equities, assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Liabilities का मतलब क्या है? कि आपको पे करना है, बिजनेस को पे करना है. दो टाइप के लाइबिलिटीज है, इंटरनल भी एक्सटर्नल भी. व्हेन वी से इंटरनल लाइबिलिटी, इट मींस व्हाट? इट मींस कैपिटल प्लस लाइबिलिटीज क्या है? जैसे कि आपने बैंक से लोन लिया है. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट लाइबिलिटीज, आई वुड लाइक टू गिव सम एग्जांपल्स. लेट अस फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विद एसेट्स. एसेट्स इज इक्वल टू equities. Assets is equal to, please remember, we said asset is equal to capital plus liabilities. So definitely when we say asset is equal to capital plus liability, if you want to know capital, definitely this liability has to go on the left hand side. So capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. Assets minus liabilities. Similarly, so asset is equal to C plus L, that is capital plus liability. If you have to find capital, तो ये liability उस साइड जाएगा तो assets minus liability. Okay, अगर liabilities पता करना है तो capital जाएगा यहाँ पर. So accordingly liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. बस ये बहुत ही सिंपल है, वेरी इजी टू रिमेंबर. जस्ट रिमेंबर फर्स्ट वन so that you can do whichever way they ask for. For example, I've given you some gaps here and you have to find out now. See, we know assets is equal to what? Assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. These two, when we add, we have to get assets. Now in this question, in the first one, look here, asset is given as 50,000. 50,000 is equal to capital we don't know. Liabilities is 6,000. So how much is the capital? Capital will be, capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. That means 50,000 minus 6,000. So it comes to 44,000. Isn't it? Very easy. Accounting equation. Okay, now look at the second one. They have given assets is equal to 45,000. Capital is given as 35,000. How much is the liability? Again, our formula is assets is equal to capital plus liabilities, and if you have to find liabilities, then capital will go here. So accordingly, assets minus capital. So 45,000 minus 35,000, that comes to 10,000. Agreed? Now let us look here. The third one. They have not given you assets. We don't know how much is the asset. But they say capital is 42,000 and liabilities is 18,000. So how much is the assets? So assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. So accordingly 42,000 plus 18,000, that comes to 60,000. So this is the assets. Agreed? Assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is LHS. This is right hand side. Okay? Now the next one. They have given asset is 36,000. Asset is 36,000. 36,000 is equal to this plus this. So accordingly, capital we have to find. So capital will be is equal to assets minus 5,000. So it comes to 31,000. 31,000. That is the capital. The last one. They have not given us the asset. We have to find out. And we know that asset is equal to capital plus liabilities. So accordingly 76,000 plus 14,000. So how much is it coming to? 76 plus 4, 80 plus 10, 90,000. So the asset is equal to 90,000. Very simple. If they ask for to find the capital, or they ask you to find the liabilities, or if they ask you to find the assets, you start with the formula asset is equal to capital plus liability. If they ask you liability, asset minus capital. If they ask you capital, assets minus liabilities. So this part you have understood, right? Now, again, just to recall, remember every transaction when we talk about the accounting equation is based on double entry system. Double entry system, and that is debit is equal to credit. Now let us try to recall. Now give me some examples of assets. You can put in the comment box. Okay. So assets is what? Like you remember we have to learn the basic accounting concepts. Give me the example. So it can be land, it can be building, it can be furniture, it can be machinery, it can be stock, it can be cash, right? So these and all debtors. It can be debtors. So all those are the examples of assets. Let us take the example of liabilities. Now liabilities means what? आपको जो उधार भरना है, पैसा भरना है हमको, बिजनेस के सर पे उधार है. So liabilities, like for example, you have taken loan from Mr. X. So loan आपको pay करना है ना? So loan. Okay, you have creditors, जिनके हाथ से आपने उधार लिया, creditors. You may have more than one creditor, so it can be sundry creditors. तो वो भी liability है. You have to pay the bill, bills payable, वो भी liability है. You have some loan, you have some bank loan, you have overdraft is there, कि आपने बैंक से ज़्यादा पैसा लिया है, bank overdraft. ये सारे के सारे चीजें जो है are the examples of what? The liabilities. Now, do you remember drawings when we say drawings होने से ये equation में how does it affect? When we talk about the drawing, for example, what do you mean by drawing? Cash or goods withdrawn by the proprietor or मालिक ने, the owner, the businessman has withdrawn some cash from the business for his personal use. So when that happens, accounting equation में क्या होता है? आपका जो कैपिटल का मीनिंग क्या है? बिजनेसमैन पैसा डालता है, ओके तो उसको हम कैपिटल बोलते हैं. बिजनेसमैन पैसा अगर पर्सनल यूज के लिए निकालता है, देन यू हैव द कैपिटल अमाउंट विल गो डाउन. सो अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन में इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो यू हैव सीन कि व्हेन देयर इज अ ड्राइंग, कैपिटल में से माइनस करना है बिकॉज कैपिटल इज रिड्यूसिंग, राइट? सो दैट इज ड्राइंग्स. एंड ऑल्सो डू यू रिमेंबर in the previous class I have told that all expenses has to be reduced. reduce करना है आपको किसमें से? कैपिटल में से. and all income क्या करेंगे आप? उसको आप सारे इनकम को ऐड करेंगे. ये माइनस करेंगे, ये ऐड करेंगे कैपिटल में से. okay, now let me take few questions and let us try to recapture it. okay, so capital introduce किया business में. तो business में क्या होता है? capital is coming, right? capital is introduced and कितना capital आ गया? say 50,000. so what happens here is cash is increasing and capital is increasing. agreed? cash is increasing and capital is increasing. तो आपकी अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन क्या है? एसेट इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल प्लस लायबिलिटी. एसेट के अंदर कैश बढ़ गया, एसेट बढ़ गया, कैपिटल में क्या हुआ? वो भी बढ़ गया. बोथ आर हैविंग इक्वल इफेक्ट, राइट? ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कैश विथड्रॉन. से वी टॉक अबाउट से फॉर पर्सनल यूज. तो क्या होता है? कैश निकाला, एसेट से पैसा कम हो गया. एंड ड्राइंग है ये. सो व्हाट हैपेंस? ड्राइंग होने से कैपिटल से भी माइनस हो गया. सो एसेट में कम हो गया, कैपिटल में भी कम हो गया. नेट इफेक्ट क्या है? दोनों का सेम है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कैश परचेजेस. आपने माल परचेज किया और आपने पैसा दिया. So what is happening then when you purchase some goods for cash? So what happens that your cash is going, आप परचेज कर रहे हैं और आपका माल अंदर आ रहा है, गुड्स आ रहे हैं अंदर. So stock, एसेट में क्या होता है? देखो, एसेट में कैश कम हो गया, माइनस कैश. So here it is cash purchases. What happens? Minus cash and plus stock. माइनस कैश एंड प्लस स्टॉक आ गया अंदर, राइट? तो माइनस एंड प्लस नलिफाई. सो अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन इज बैलेंस्ड. लेट अस टॉक अबाउट क्रेडिट परचेजेस. आपने परचेज किया क्रेडिट में. सो व्हेन यू परचेज ऑन क्रेडिट, व्हाट हैपेंस? गुड्स आर कमिंग इन, स्टॉक आ गया, बढ़ गया और आपका क्रेडिटर भी बढ़ गया, राइट? तो हम क्या करेंगे? एसेट में what is happening is आपने परचेज किया ना, क्रेडिट परचेज. सो इन द एसेट what happens? stock is increasing, plus stock and plus creditors. agreed? लायबिलिटी भी बढ़ गया आपका क्योंकि आपने उधार में परचेज किया है. now let us take the next one, purchase return. आपने जो गुड्स लिया ना उधार में, तो वो गुड्स आपने थोड़ा सा उसको रिटर्न कर दिया क्योंकि खराब निकला, मे बी डैमेज हुआ है या सम रीजन यू आर नॉट सैटिस्फाइड, सो यू आर जस्ट रिटर्निंग इट. सो व्हेन यू रिटर्न सच परचेजेस, इट इज आल्सो नोन एज रिटर्न आउटवर्ड. आपने रिटर्न कर दिया, और रिटर्न करते समय माल बाहर गया ना, तो आउटवर्ड हो गया. इट इज परचेज रिटर्न. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इन द एसेट साइड? स्टॉक क्या हुआ? कम हो गया. एग्रीड? So stock will be minus stock. और आपका क्रेडिट, आपका जो पैसा भरना था क्रेडिटर को, वो भी कम हो गया. सो अकॉर्डिंगली हियर इट इज माइनस क्रेडिटर्स. नाउ द लास्ट वन, कैश पेड टू क्रेडिटर्स. कैश पेड टू क्रेडिटर्स, आपने कैश पे कर दिया, क्रेडिटर्स को पे कर दिया, तो आपका कैश क्या हुआ एसेट साइड में, कम हो गया, राइट. सो हियर इट विल बी कैश माइनस फ्रॉम द एसेट साइड. और आपने क्रेडिटर क्या हुआ, क्रेडिटर को पे किया, तो क्रेडिटर उधर बढ़ गया कि कम हुआ, कम हुआ. सो माइनस ऑन द लायबिलिटी साइड, माइनस क्रेडिटर्स. That's all. So if we know this, then we can proceed to the next chapter. And that's all about classification of accounts. Accounts को हमें identify करना है, ये कौन से category में आता है. So all those things we'll learn the next video. So for today, this is what you need to remember. Accounting equations क्या है? Assets is equal to equities, which means assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. And based on this, the formula, you are able to fill up all whatever questions they ask. Also in my previous class, I told about how do we, what happens, you know, आपका asset बढ़ता है, then you're putting it in the asset side. So likewise, here all these examples that I gave, please remember very well. बहुत ही simple है, बहुत ही simple है. थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए, बहुत ही simple है. इसको आप एक दो बार में सुनेंगे वीडियो को, तो आप अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. And yes, in case you need something more, या तो आपको कोई doubt है, please you can put it in the comment box, and I'm there for you all. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. See you in the next video with the chapter on classification of accounts. Thank you so much. Signing off. God bless everyone, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.